Probably one of the best reasons to use blocks is because we can redefine a block. For example, if we wanted to change the appearance of all the blocks, we could simply change the geometry of one block and it'll be applied to all of the blocks there. In this lesson we're going to learn how to redefine a block. Now I've got a site plan of a proposed restaurant here. I'm going to zoom a little. Now there are lots of blocks in this drawing. We've got trees, cars, these tables, these doors. Now we're going to focus on the trees for now, and let's assume we want to colorize these trees. Now we normally colorize an object by filling those objects with hatches, and we had to fill it with a solid color there. Now we don't need to do that. We need to just redefine one hatch and all of the others will update automatically. Let's color these blocks here. I'm going to select that, and to redefine a block we just have to double click on that block. Now the edit block definition dialog box pops up and we can select the block we want. In this case it's ornamental trees. Going to click OK, and there opens the block editor for us. And notice the color of the background changes. That's because AutoCAD wants us to know that we are in the block editor here. And notice the tab here changes to the block editor tab. And now here we can edit our block any kind we want with all these tools and options, and all of other blocks are gonna automatically update. Now we are in the block editor tab and we can use all these tools, but we can use other tabs and other tools as well. Let's give a color to this block. First of all, I'm going to delete some of these line works, and delete these. Now let's go to the home tab and let's launch the hatch command here, and let's, before hatching, change some options here. Going to change the pattern. Let's give it a gradient here. I'm going to select the spherical gradient here, and these are the gradient colors here. I'm going to change the blue to green, and let's turn off the center. Take a look at the gradient here. When I'm turning off the center, see the light source here changed. Now we can change the angle however we want. Not going to use that for now. Now let's give it a gradient. This is gray. Now this is the exact way I wanted this block to look, so I'm going to go to the block editor here, and first of all press enter to accept that hatch, and click the close block editor and save the changes to ornamental tree. Now as you see, all our changes to that block was saved, and all apply to all other blocks. Now block editing in AutoCAD is one of the most times that we can do. If we can create a block from our geometry that are going to be repeated in our drawings, making changes to that block is going to be in minutes instead of hours.